Do you struggle with embedding Excel files into Word without messing up the formatting? Well, your struggles end here. Today, I'm showing you a simple step-by-step guide to insert an Excel sheet into Word like a pro. Whether you're preparing a report, a project, or just impressing your boss, this trick will save you time and headaches. First, open the Excel file you want to embed. Make sure the data is neat and ready, because this is what you'll showcase in Word. Now, open the Word document where you want to embed the Excel sheet. This can be a blank document or an existing one. Now, here's the magic part. Go to the Insert tab at the top of Word. Click on Object. Select Create from File. Browse for your Excel file. Select it. Click Insert and then hit OK. And boom, your Excel sheet is now embedded in Word. If the table looks off, don't worry, simply resize it by dragging the corners or double-click on it to edit directly in Excel format. And that's it. You've just mastered embedding Excel into Word. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more quick tips like this. See you in the next video.